Hello everyone, it's Stream Trades here back with you again, and today we are looking at Shiba chart. Usually I don't talk about these coins, and personally me, I do not invest a lot in them. For example, in Shiba, I have just a tiny portion of my portfolio, and it's more, um, let's put it this way, it's more risky portfolio that actually I'm not afraid to lose that money. Uh, Actually, I bought some Shiba, I think somewhere here when I saw this area, and I thought that the price is more likely to bounce from here. So even though it's minus 60 something percent, I don't care. Well, actually, for right now, it's minus 50%. I don't care because I have just a tiny portion. Why I do not invest a lot in coins like this? Because they are too risky. Actually, if you check, this is all the history of Shiba coin that we have. And I don't like investing big amount of my assets uh, into the tool like this that doesn't have a lot of history. And actually, I don't know a lot how it can behave in different market conditions, in different crises, and so on. But anyway, let's have a look at it because many of you requested it. First, I have this descending parallel channel. Why it is important? Because check how many times the price reacted on the borders here, then here again, then it went here, here, and here, then one more time on the top, then here's on the bottom, then it had a retest of it, and then here's another retest on 12th of May. So I believe that this is a very important parallel channel. And why I'm going to show you in a minute, because actually if you have a nice channel, you can double it and more likely the price will respect that other channel as well. And check out, it respected this middle line actually all the way here. It just bounced from it, then it respected this point, and here then again, this middle line, you see how it bounced from the middle line. And the same way, let's copy this one and paste it higher. You see again how the price respected this middle line. And actually not long ago, just a day ago, it bounced from this middle line again. So why am I telling you that? If you have this net of parallel channel, they give you additional information of where the support and resistance might be. So as for right now, we see that it bounced from this middle line, then it came all the way here, and it may bounce from here to go higher, or it can go lower and then respect some other places. Also, this zone is very crucial as well as this one. And as for me, I have some alerts here. If the price will come to this area, I might actually buy a little bit more, but it's still not going to be a lot. It's just that amount of money that I can afford to lose if something goes wrong. Because, guys, I believe that if the price will go lower and form several candles here, not going above this area, then it might be a very bad signal for Shiba coin and it'll go dramatically down. Or if this will not happen, which I also hope it will not, then we will bounce some time, spend some time here, close several and form several candles to go above. Then this area will more likely be another potential area where the price may struggle. And also you see this EMA line coming. Let's go ahead and check out some other indicators. RSI. On RSI, you can clearly see a divergence. Check this out. Let's have this tool. You see that here we have a lower low and a higher low. But if you check the price, you will see that the price, we have this button and this button was lower. So that is what is called divergence. And more likely it signals that the market is about to reverse. Also, what I like to do, uh, you check this area. Let's take this off. Look at this area. Let's make it more obvious so you can see it. Check this area how the price reacted here, and there was a higher high. But if you will check on RSI, you can already see that the RSI broke that level. For example, here was the higher high and it broke it, but not on the price chart. So that's another good signal of saying that there might be another strong movement to the upside. Let's go lower and check out in stream trades indicator. What I can see here is a pretty strong, a very strong divergence all the way. You can see the price was going lower and lower from all this time, but here we have opposite thing happening. I would love to see this line to cross the negative line, zero line, and go above to confirm the uptrend. So as for right now, according to my strategies, I'm not going all in into the Shiba coin. I do have, like I told you, a small, tiny portion of my asset in it, and I'm waiting for the price to see how it's going to react. It might stock some way here, it may go higher, but the most important thing is always take your risk seriously and do not afford more than you can risk. So I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you are still not subscribed, because I do all these daily updates on different coins, and the most important, have a profitable and safe trading. Talk to you later, guys. Bye bye.